Here's what nobody warns you about. Most of those 10 ways to make money with ChatGPT videos skip the part where Fiverr clients reject your AI content and Etsy templates sit there collecting dust. These 10 methods are built different because they start with something the others don't: trust. Use ChatGPT to write personal outreach messages that sound like you, not a robot, so people actually reply and remember your name. Build a simple lead magnet with ChatGPT in under an hour, then let a done-for-you system handle the follow-up so you stop losing warm prospects overnight. Use ChatGPT to repurpose one video into posts, emails, and short clips so you show up everywhere without living on your phone all day. Let ChatGPT draft FAQ responses and objection handling scripts so you stop spending hours answering the same questions and reclaim your evening. Use ChatGPT to map out a content calendar that builds trust over weeks, not just chases clicks, so your audience actually buys when you recommend something. If you want a residual income you can actually trust, where 80 cents of every dollar comes back to you and a done-for-you sales system handles the closing.